In this video, we are going to be analysing DELL. They do have their earnings tomorrow, so I do think it would be good just to get some analysis on this in preparation for the release if you're looking to trade this from the release. So, did close up 0.6% on the Friday, but again, that's not going to have too much impact. The key thing we're paying attention to is what technical levels can we pay attention to now. And firstly, I do want to note these are technical levels. So on this straight earnings release, you don't pay attention to any technical signals or any technical levels, because again, fundamentals are always the key driver. Wait for the news to come out, wait for the stock to move is usually the easiest way to do it. And then once it starts to calm, then you can pay attention to the technicals once again, because they're going to be more efficient. So what technicals are we paying attention to? So we do have a level at $42. This is going to be our first deviation on the 6 month. Now we have kind of consolidating on this level for now, so I wouldn't be paying too much attention to it as of now. Instead, I'd wait until after that release, and if we push away from it, then that level will become valid once again. We also have a level at 43.50. Again, kind of tapped before, this where we started to pull back. We're a bit more bearish because again, it had kind of tapped this level. It's whether we come and retest this, and that will give us a bullish signal if we can break through. But for the time being, again, these have both been tapped. I would be more patient, wait until the releases come out before paying attention to any level really. But if on the earnings release we end up breaking through this level, we would have a target or kind of expect or another level at 47.50. Breaking through there would be $51, going on to $52.90. Again, you can kind of consider that $53 if you like. Then going on to $58.50, and then we have one final level at $66. Now onto the supports quickly. What are we paying attention to? $36, $31, $28 or $28.50, $25.50, going down to $21, and a final level at $20. So again, these levels, do you need to pay attention to all of them? No, there is a lot of them. Again, this is just to be prepared in case we have, say, a 20% or 10% movement on earnings. Again, you have levels. If it moves 2%, you still have levels. So again, that's why we just give you so many levels. So no matter what way we go and however much earnings moves, you should have levels to be paying attention to. Again, like we said, you don't need to use all of these levels. For example, earnings comes out, we pop to say $50. Then the only levels you need to pay attention to is $47.50 and $51. How do you react at these levels? How do you want to trade them? Again, on the other hand, let's say earnings comes out, we pop down to $27. Again, then you're only paying attention to $28.50 and $25.50. So that's how you use these levels. Just really wait for it to become 2-1, and then again you can trade them in different ways. If you're a long bias trader only, again you can look to play the bounces off these levels. On the other hand, if you're a short bias trader, you can wait for the break below this level, come back to retest it as a resistance, and if it holds, is a good indication that will continue down lower. Anyway, that is the breakdown on DELL. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, why not drop a like and subscribe and check out one of these 2 analysis videos.